Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibonani, kule video manje sizokhuluma ngodaba likaJabulani Khumalo. uJabulani Khumalo ubuyele enkantolo ngoba eclaim ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe party ngowakhe. Uyena owawuregister.
Did you send Jabulani Khumalo to go and register?
Absolutely.
Umkhonto
I
on
had
your
that
behalf?
discussion.
You sent him.
I had that discussion with him here in this house, here at Nkandla.
And it was always part of the plan?
I was helping to tell them what I'm doing in order to change this country. And I said I've chosen MK. But because MK is going to raise eyebrows to some people, I won't register it myself. I will register it through, there were 3 sitting next to me. So I said, we'll use your name. And we agreed. So that people must not realize I'm party to it. Because I was doing underground, total underground. I did that, and I don't have to argue with somebody who did not even know what Umkhonto was. What we are talking about, there are papers being written to court to explain that day where he had to sign. Because I put him here, I said, why do you now say this is your organization?
He still is saying that, absolutely.
No, I'm telling you, when I talked to him,
Yeah.
I said, where do you come from? Because I've brought his brother and their friend in order to be here to hear what he says. No. I did not refuse to sign because I know the truth. In fact, somebody was saying, starting a discussion, I'd stop the discussion. I said, here's a paper, sign. Which he was, but he had participated in
so
drafting.
So his signature was not forged? That
No,
letter
he signed in
IEC.
front of all of us sitting. We are going to be saying it in public. He signed.
Ngakho ke umkhonto wesizwe party ukhiphe i-statement esazisa amamember omphakathi namalungu omkhonto wesizwe party ngokwenzekayo ngodaba likaJabulani Khumalo. Sizobheka ke leso statement, sizosifunda ngoba basikhiphile. Emveni kodwa ngaphambi singene kulelo daba, udaba esoqala kulo udaba lama illegal immigrants. Labantu abakhona la eSouth Africa kodwa abangangenanga ngokusemthethweni abaphuma kwamanye amazwe. Sizokhuluma nangabo. Ngibone enye ivideo kaMcG ngizoyi-attach la khuluma khona ngama penalties akwamanye amazwe uma ungene ngokungekho semthethweni khona. Ukuthi uma kwenzeka utholakala khona kwenzakalani kuwe. Bese ke sisiphuma lapho singena kodabeni kaJabulani Khumalo. Ngiyacela subscribe ku channel, ulike ivideo, ucomment, ushare, ungajoina membership yale channel ukuze usupport. Qala nje ku 40 rand ngenyanga ukuya phezulu. Ama illegal immigrants masebe khona labantu njengoba kune corruption engaka khona nako Home Affairs. Abanye babo kuthiwa bathengisa ama drugs. Leyo ekhona ingoba basuke befuna amapasi bese beba nama benefits lawa atholwa abantu bala South Africa, whether ngaba igrant noma yini. Uma umuntu okhona esenepasi usefana nowase South Africa nawo sengayithola. Ngaphandle kokubabelela nje asingeneni ke odabeni lama illegal immigrants.
Ladies and gentlemen, news just in. Home Affairs has fired 6 employees for various cases of fraud and corruption. Just last year, November, they fired 18 employees for various cases of fraud, corruption, and sexual harassment, with there being over 33 employees fired from last year, July.
Njengobuzwa kusisi esichazela ama ubheka ku screen sakho kuvela uminister la uLeon ebhale ukuthi Home Affairs dismisse 6 more crook official with immediate effect, okwenza ukuthi abantu asebexoshwe so far bawu33. Nansi inkulumo kaminister, open quote, isivinini Home Affairs esebenza ngaso ibamsene ne-SIU okuyi Special Investigation Unit if I'm not mistaken ukcleara i-corruption kusuka kithi ngaphakathi. Kuyakhombisa ukuthi le progress le singakwazi ukuyenza ukuze silwe nale sihlave sikhona. Uthi futhi ngikwenze kwaba clear kwi-department ukuthi ama delays angeke siwatolerate, ukuthi futhi ngeke siphumule until wonke umuntu ocorrupt ephumile la exoshiwe Home Affairs, close quotes. Ngithi angincome noma lokhu kungeke kuzwakale kahle kwabanye abantu, kodwa sengikuqaphelile ukuthi umlungu kukhona izinto akwazi ukuzenza kangcono. Hhayi ngoba enolwazi oluningi, kodwa uma thina sesingabantu sodwa, angazi noma akasihloniphani noma akasiwuhloniphi wona umsebenzi, kodwa nje uma ufuna ukulungisa abantu wofaka umlungu, bavele balunge nje. Selokhu engenile nje lo minista womlungu, kunomehluko omkhulu eHome Affairs. Ngiyakhumbula ngiyothatha i-passport, ngayelulekwa kwathiwa hamba uye endaweni la kudominate khona amabhunu noma abelungu. I-passport yakho uzokwazi ukuyithola ngesikhathi, angeke ube nankinga. Ngempela-ke ngahamba, ngafike ngayi-aplayela, same day, angizange ngihlale no-3 hours eHome Affairs. Ngase ngenza iphutha, ngathi hhayi sengiyoyi-collector kwi-Home Affairs eseduze nami, le dominator abantu abamnyama. Ngahlala usuku lonke, kubuye kuthiwa i-system offline, iyindi queue kusebenza umuntu oyedwa.
Well, Aljon, just about 10 minutes ago, we saw police arresting some illegal immigrants that live in this building, this residential building, where Joburg Water is cutting off, illegal water connections, and City Power is also cutting off electricity. So we are told that at this present moment, water is not coming out of their taps because they have managed to disconnect some pipes. But this is a process really that takes a bit of time, and they are also saying that in many parts of the CBD, especially these buildings that look like abandoned buildings, there are a lot of illegal connections of water and electricity. So they will be going around the area of Hillbrow, especially these buildings. I'm going to ask my colleague to show you where from outside they look like they are not well maintained. So those are the buildings that will be targeted. And I'm also told by Joburg Water, again, Aljon, that there are some businesses here in the CBD that have illegally connected themselves in the grid. One of them is a very big hotel, which I'm hoping that we will be able to go to.
Njengoba ubona nje ukuthi kunabantu abahlala kulama building la abuka ngathi abandoned, bayarenta labantu abahlala lapha, abanye bahleli ngenkani, banogesi, banamanzi, abazikhokheli zonke lezi zinto. So lento isiyinkinga. Uyabona ukuthi njengoba namaphoyisa kukhona ababophile manje ama-illegal immigrants, labantu abagcini ngokuhlala kuphela ngoba bezofuna impilo engcono, bayamosha kwakhona kulo lelizwe abahleli kulo, ngoba phela ngempela-ke eqinisweni lonke uma sebekhona angeke bahlale ngomnyama. Ingakho benza isu lokuthi ababe nawo ugesi, ababe nawo amanzi, angeke bahlale nalabantu abahijackela ama-building bayakwazi ukuthi benze isu lokuthi babathole labantu ugesi namanzi. Nama-drugs agcine ethengiswa kuzo lezi ndawo. Kuningi nje okwenzekayo kuzo lezi ndawo njengoba sibona. Asincomeke amaphoyisa ngokuthi bababambe labantu. Noma obunye ubugebengu obuningi benzeka ngawo amaphoyisa, kodwa kulokuthi namhlanje ababambile laba siyawancoma. Kunalabantu abafaka lento ezi-green okuthiwa amapanyaza, abanye bathi ama-green bean. Mangake ngikuxoxele lapha eJozi eGoli nje umkhuba abawenzayo, baya-contributor ngoba into abayenzayo bathaketha bona labantu abaphuma kwamanye amazwe. Uma sebembambile umuntu bejike naye khoneni akhiphe lo 200, bamdedela aphinda ahambe, noma akhiphe lo 150 100 rand, depende ukuthi uphethe imali nabo futhi imali esheshayo. Ngize ngasola ukuthi shuthi la kulo hulumeni wethu uma uzothola le misebenzi yakhona uyabuzwa kuthiwa uyakwazi ukuthatha i-bribe. Uma ungakwazi ngiyasola ukuthi awutholi, ngiyadlala ngaso. Kodwa lento engikhuluma ngayo into eyenzekayo eJozi, noma bengeke bavume, kodwa oke wabona bayababamba nsuku zonke abantu laba, kodwa abapheli. Yazi uma ufika eJozi ufika nje kuseni, wabona amashophu evaliwe, funa wazi ukuthi ayeza amaphoyisa, yide wiba-connected ngakhona labantu. Uma ufika nje kuseni wabona amashophu evaliwe, funa wazi ukuthi amaphoyisa ayeza-ke namhlanje azobe evala. Kodwa kushaye o-9 amaphoyisa segcwele imigwaqo, abayobe bevalile vele benga-affectekanga. Sidalo nje labantu ngenxa yokuthi ba-connected. Asiyeke nendaba asicaphune ivideo kaMac G sizwe ama-penalties enzeka kwamanye amazwe uma utholakale khona ungene ngokungekho semthethweni, bese singena endaweni yomkhonto wesizwe phansi, siyeke la yama-green beans mhlampe nabo ingxenye ye-job description yabo.
Have I told you guys like some of the penalties in other countries when you come in illegally?
No.
Have I told you guys?
No.
I haven't told you this.
No.
Listen to this, man. This is crazy. So in Singapore, if you enter into the country illegally, you get 6 months in jail.
Okay.
In Russia, it's 2 years in a hard labor camp.
Oh, okay, that's so bad.
Pakistan is 10 years in jail. India, it's 8 years in jail. North Korea, it's death penalty. They don't play there. In Nigeria, it's 5 years in jail. In Malawi, it's 2 years in jail with deportation. In Zimbabwe,
Imagine, dog, imagine.
yeah.
Shit, tell that to your Uber driver delivery guy. Do you know in your hot country, when you enter illegally, what happens?
In Zimbabwe, it's 1 year in jail or deportation.
In Zim.
in Zim.
To enter Zim illegally,
Yeah.
it's 1 year in jail.
Yeah.
Whoa.
In Botswana,
So
it's
Nangwago's not fucking around.
yeah. And then it's in Botswana, it's immediate deportation and possible jail time. In America, it's detention and deportation. In South Africa, free housing, healthcare, education, food, mobile phone, and cash. And an Uber. scooter.
And choices, for jobs to do. A huge spectrum.
Angizukuphawula lutho ngento esho uMacG ngoba okunye kwakho siyabazi ama-RDP bona abantu bangaphandle bayawa-owner manje okusho uMacG angizukuphawula ngakho nje ngoba okunye siyakwazi. Asigene endabeni yomkhonto wesizwe party. Le statement umkhonto wesizwe party usikhiphe ngomhla ka-8 ku-April 2025. Isihloko sithi renewed attempt to destabilize the MK party through clandestine court process. Sekufikile kithi ukuthi kunemizamo eyenziwe ukuze destabilize noma iyenze kungabi bikho uzinzo kumkhonto wesizwe party through i-application entsha efakwe obeyilunga lomkhonto wesizwe party uMr Jabulani Khumalo kanye nalabo abamxhasa ngezezimali. Emzameni yakhe umnomzana uKhumalo eyedlule nalabo abamxhasa ngezezimali ukuthi ba-hijack umkhonto wesizwe party ayibanga impumelelo. Leso sicelo leso sachithwa inkantolo eyakubeka kwacaca ukuthi ngokusemthethweni abantu abangabanikazi abama-custodian omkhonto wesizwe party ngamalunga omkhonto wesizwe party. Njengoba inkantolo ngokwedlule yakubeka ngokucacileyo ukuthi uMr Khumalo akayena umsunguli futhi akalona ilunga lomkhonto wesizwe party. Ngakho le inkulumo zakamuva ezivelayo zizohluleka njengoba inhloso yazo ukudisrupta ubumbano phakathi kumkhonto wesizwe party kanye nenqubekela phambili. Njengabo bonke abake bayenza lemizamo angeke iziphumelele. Ngakho ke umkhonto wesizwe party ucela wonke amalunga nabantu abasupporta i-MK party ukuthi bahlale befocus futhi bangaphazanyiswa ilezi zinto lezi ezivelayo ngoba zingama-attempts nje avela kubantu abadesperate. Bathi ke bacela amalungu omkhonto wesizwe party ame nje asupporte iparty kanye nayo yonke leadership ekhona ngaphansi kukamnumzana uPresident Jacob Zuma. Baqhubeka bathi as i-MK party ifocus yabo manje ukulwa nama-programs lawa azoletha ubunzima ey'mpilweni zabantu abahluphekile okubala kuyo le budget adoptiwe yalo hulumeni lo obizwa kuthiwa we-GNU. Bathi i-MK party iyaqhubeka futhi ikhombisa ukuthi iyona yodwa manje capable ukuhlanganisa wonke ama-progressive formations. Baphinde futhi balethe i-alternative egenuine, shuthi alternative eqotho nethembekile kuhulumeni. Lona ozobo representa futhi ubhekelele idingo zalabantu laba abakhishwa inyumbazane ikakhulukazi imajority yabamnyama. Iyona ke iletha lephuma ku-MK party. Ngiyacela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho ningixolele lento le noyithatha esilungwini uphinde uyilethe esizulwini ayikho lula. Ngiyacela ukuzwa ukuthi ukuphawula kwakho ukuthini wena ngalolu daba lolu likaKhumalo nalelama illegal immigrants. Mina nawe asidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ushare, ulike, ucomment. Ngiyabonga.